Hello, my name is Jalea Pettis and I am a licensed esthetician, professional makeup artist, educator, speaker, and overall entrepreneur. I am based in Phoenix, Arizona, but I travel wherever I am needed. I wanted to share a little bit about me and why I kind of do some of the things that I do. I wear so many hats, and each of them has been something that's helped me continue to grow in every area of my business. So I relocated from South Carolina to Arizona, and it was one of the most trying decisions that I ever made, but one of the best decisions that I ever made. And I have a background of over 20 years in corporate HR management. Couple that with my beauty experience, which is about 13 years or so, I'm the perfect mix of beauty and brains. Whether you're a beauty professional or a consumer, I want to share some tips and tricks with you. If you need help with skincare, makeup application, I want to help you do that. If you're a beauty pro and you need true help in, okay, what do I need to do with my branding? What do I need to do to go to the next step in my career? I want to get from behind the chair. I want to work in commercial, editorial, fashion. I can help you with that as well. Or you might just be an overall entrepreneur and just need somewhere to start. I want to help you be successful. So I need you to follow me on all of my social media pages. I have Instagram, I have Twitter, I have YouTube, I got Facebook, but follow my journey. Follow me also on my website at www.jaleapettis.com. And until we meet again, thank you for watching.